Alright guys, I wanted to show you something neat I found on Google TV. I'm going to go to the home page here. I didn't realize that in addition to the other stuff it does with the internet and everything, that you could stream media from your computer. So I started playing around with this about a week ago or so, and you go under Logitech Media Player, and the default choice is to use the Windows Media Player. But in playing around with that, I quickly found out that it works, but I found a solution called Mezzmo, which I want to show you how slick this works with Google TV. I'm really happy with how these two things work together. What Mezzmo does, I'll show it to you on the computer here, is it goes out and you tell it where to search on your hard drive for audio, video, and pictures. And the first thing that happens is you get a really clean interface here of audio, video, and photos that are residing on the hard drive of your computer. So I'm showing this to you on my TV. So the first thing I found that this does well is the way it lays the folders out. Very intuitive. You can navigate very, very quickly. And then something I found, one of the first reasons I needed to find another solution, and I landed on this Mezzmo, is when you go into an album, and this was true of all of my albums, if you went in on the media player, there were two problems. One is it would display generic album art. It wouldn't give you your actual album art from your collection. And then the other thing is it would show the album in alphabetical order instead of the order that you're used to hearing it, the order on the original album. So you can see this problem is solved here. I'm going to choose the first track on this album. And it comes up very, very quickly and starts playing. See that? And then you can track forward or backward. You see your album art's displayed. So that solves a couple of problems that I ran into. Then another thing I found that I really was surprised about and really liked quite a bit was this album we're listening to right now. This is a straight, MP3 from a CD that I have. But what I didn't expect to find was that it also goes out, and Mezzmo will also look at your iTunes library. So these songs here, same format. These are songs I don't have MP3s of. These are iTunes that I have in my iTunes library, and you can see it works exactly the same way. Album art plays it right off of your hard drive, so that's pretty neat. And then the final thing that was really helpful to me, and this all kind of ties back to just how organized everything is and how fast it is. You can see how quickly I'm able to navigate there. You see I've got all my photos right here, iTunes right here. But another thing I found was the program went out and found all sorts of video formats that Media Player wouldn't play, but that were old files on my cameras from several years ago. So here, for example, is a video of my daughter as a baby, and I didn't even know this video existed. It was in some file format that Media Player would not play back. So now here I've got files of my little daughter in her crib playing with her dolls, and I didn't even know those files were on there because they were unplayable by Media Player. But this Mezzmo goes in, organizes all of it, sets it up to where it'll play on your device, and you can see it gives you real neat thumbnails here. So this and the Google TV just work together to really put my entire library of photos and videos right on my big screen television. So I wanted to show you how to do that. Thought it was pretty cool. Hope this is useful for you. I'm going to make another video that shows you how to do it on your iPhone or your iPad. Take care.